Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Tenor for animated brand content, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Tenor for animated brand content, start by visiting the Tenor website. On the home page, locate the sign up button, typically found in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to open the registration form. Next, enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets the specified security requirements. After entering your email and password, review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree to the terms, check the box to confirm your acceptance. Now, click on the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive a verification email shortly after registering. Check your inbox for the email from Tenor and open it. Click on the verification link provided in that email to confirm your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Tenor website and log in with your email and password. After logging in, navigate to the brand content section to explore available options. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the brand content application process. Fill out the required information about your brand, including name and description. Upload any necessary branding assets, such as logos or visuals. After completing the form, review all entered information for accuracy. Finally, submit your application for review. You will receive a confirmation email acknowledging your application. Once approved, you can start creating and sharing animated brand content on Tenor. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.